Welcome back. Today I'm breaking down exactly how to write the perfect prompts for VEO 3. If you've been struggling to get cinematic, clean, or consistent results, this guide is going to change everything. Let's jump straight in. Section 1. The core prompt formula. Here's the formula I use for almost every VEO 3 video. Subject plus scene plus camera. First, the subject. Describe appearance and action clearly. What they look like, what they're wearing, and exactly what they're doing. Instead of a man chopping vegetables, say a middle-aged Japanese chef in a white apron chopping green onions quickly with precise rhythmic motions. Next, the scene. Where are we? What's around? Is the lighting warm or cool? The more clearly you describe the environment, the better the result will be. Finally, the camera. Tell VEO 3 how to shoot the scene. Smooth tracking shot, close-up, or cinematic composition. I've listed some common camera movements on the screen. You can pause the video and check them out. And if you want a full document on how to write the perfect VEO 3 prompt, join our Telegram channel. I've posted it there. Section 2, generating video with VEO 3. Now let's use Edimakor to generate the video. Wait, you've never used it before? I dropped the link in the description. Download it real quick. You're gonna love it. Once you open it, click AI video, then select text to video. In the models section, you'll see a bunch of powerful options. Now choose Google VEO 3 fast. Paste in the prompt you wrote using the structure we covered. Next, set your duration, resolution, and aspect ratio. Turn on Generate Audio if you want the model to produce sound. When everything looks good, hit Generate and watch the magic happen. Pretty cool, right? I hope this helped, and if it did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.